Welcome, today I will be showing you a quick and easy step on how to download YouTube video. You can download any YouTube video of your choice. The YouTube video you download using this method would be saved directly on your phone, laptop or whatever device you use. To get started, the first step on how to download YouTube video is to copy the YouTube video link. To do this, open any YouTube video you would like to download. Then go down to the bottom panel of the video. Click on the share button. Then click on copy link button. There you have your YouTube video link. Another method is to go to the top panel of your browser. If you are not using the YouTube video app, you will see the YouTube video link, so copy it. Step 2 on how to download YouTube video. Open your browser and visit the website www.thego.ml. Once the website opens, paste your YouTube video link. Then, select your preferred format. Note that, the higher the format, the higher the quality and the video size. Then click here. Next, click the download button. You might be redirected to advertisements. Close the ad page. Next, click the download now button. The download would start automatically. You can see the progress of your YouTube video download in your browser. Once the download is complete, you will have the YouTube video on your device. The website also has a guide on how to download YouTube video, as well as some troubleshooting guide to help you with your download. That is it on how to download YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe for more videos like this.